Hello, you are welcome to Lucav-Howto. In this video, we want to teach you how to trim your base map using the extent of a layer. In this case, we have a state boundary map, and we want to simply trim the base map to exclude all these areas outside of the Nigerian boundary map. So it's simple. You will come to the map with properties, and then you come to clip layers. When you come here, you see two options: no clipping, clip to an outline, and then clip to a custom extent. When you choose this custom extent and then you choose the layer you want to clip with, apply, all you get is a regular polygon, a rectangle that cut off the externals. However, you still have some areas you still don't want. So if you want to cut off every part that is outside of the Nigerian boundary perfectly using the extents, the outline extents, you simply come to property, and then your choice will now be to choose clip to an outline. Then you choose the layer, in this case is the state boundary map, and then when you apply, this is what you get. So it's simple, and it's simple to also to bring it back to normalcy. You still go to that same, and then the choice will now be clip. And then you apply and you have it back. So don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel to continue to get updates. Thank you.